Are you drowning in PDFs and struggling to keep track of your research sources? This video will show you how to tame the chaos with the Zotero Connector for Chrome within the next minute and a half. First, open the Chrome Web Store, either by searching for it in Google or by typing Chrome.com Web Store into your address bar. In the search bar at the top left, type Zotero Connector and press Enter. The Zotero Connector should be the first result. It's the extension published by Zotero. Click on the extension. On the Zotero Connector page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Add Extension to confirm the installation. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the Zotero Connector has been added, and a small Zotero icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar, usually on the top right. Now, when you're on a web page with an article, a PDF, or any research source, the Zotero Connector icon will change its appearance. You will see a document icon. Click that Zotero Connector icon. A small window will appear briefly, indicating that Zotero is saving the source to your library. Make sure that your Zotero application is already opened in the background to save to your local library. Open your Zotero application, and you'll see the source you just saved, complete with metadata and the PDF if available. Now you can cite the source later. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and used the Zotero Connector to streamline your research workflow. Happy researching!